Welcome to JJ with Joy. I'm going to make and show you how to make these cute little, I'm calling them frame clusters. I've made a bunch of them in my group. I have a group on Facebook, JJ with Joy. So I've made a bunch of these already, and I thought I would share with you how to make them as well. So I did spend about a day cutting out. So I just cut a square, and then I used the frame punch board is what it's called, the frame punch board. You can just use cut out, you can just cut out the inside. But anyway, and then when I cut them out, I decided I was going to sew around each one. So really, I just started at one end, went around the outside, and then I skipped across here and then went to the inside. And that way I just had a few hanging hairs out here. But I just pulled up some plain type of background and then picked out some different frames or little pictures that I thought. I'm going to try to stay with a woodland look. So I'm just going to use some Fabri-Tac and add some layering and get these down on here. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at it. I'm trying to pick the worst side where I actually sewed, because I did, you always have them little sewing issues, right? Now, over here, I've just kind of got a grab bag full of different little fun stuff. And I have some words over here as well if I decide I want to add a word. So let's get started with these. I am going to just cut some random frame stuff out of the edges. I want it to kind of look like it's off the edge a little bit. And I'm going to glue that down. I've just tried to, I'm having a lot of fun with these, and I'm just trying to make some things. I will have some put in my shop. I don't know which ones yet. I always try to make woodland stuff for myself to get it. Now I'm kind of making these off center. Oops. And of course my little finger gets caught. I don't care which way the words go. I want it to look pleasing to the eye. So I think I like, well, that's a little longer that way, isn't it? All right, we'll do that way. We'll do that way. Anyway, I'm just trying to, get a little bit different things in my shop is what my point is trying to do. And my friend told me about these. She did see someone do them on YouTube, and she didn't remember who. So anyway, she was making hers a little differently. I always keep my strings and I just pull them apart, and I like them underneath stuff, because it just adds so much layering. It's like a little layering practice here. I'm going to flip that over because there seems to be more there, and of course it sticks to your fingers right there. I like that. I have inked around these to get them ready, so I don't have a lot of that to do as well. I did ink around all of this and around this, and I'm liking the new color from Tim Holtz. Oh my gosh, I like it a lot. It is, what is it called? Wait a minute. Scorched Timber. I'm sorry. Scorched Timber is what it's called. I really like that color. It looks good on these darker pieces too. Oh, let's see. What else do I want to use in this one? I just kind of wanted to come in and show you how to make them, and I'm trying to keep the colors kind of the same a little bit. I could pick that little corner up there and throw that out there. That'd be all right. If you hear any extra noise, my honey is out mowing today, so I hope that he doesn't come storming in. Now, I think that needs a little word or a number or something. It's a little busy. I think I want a little less word. Let me see what I got. I just pulled some out. It doesn't really... Oh, that says woods. That might be fun. It's too big. Too big. A number, yeah, needs to be shorter. I shouldn't be that picky, I really shouldn't. Rose, that don't work at all. Let's see what that looks like. That looks okay. I did not ink these because I don't know what color I want them. I used Vintage Photo forever, and so I have a lot of, actually I want that a little bit shorter. I used a lot of Vintage Photo on a lot of my already made ephemera, so I don't want to like do a head because I might end up with an issue. And I hate using Fabri-Tac for, oops, I'm going to scoot that over. I think that's pretty cute. What do you think? All right, let's make another one. These are so, once you get your bases down, now on the other ones, I actually ended up using, let's see, I had pre-made scrap clusters. Like this was already a pre-made scrap cluster, and I had them in a drawer, and I just pulled them out and put them together. And I tell you what, that's the easy way, if you make a head, to save yourself a lot of time when project comes and it's time to do it. So I'm going to figure out if I like, do I want to go darker or lighter this time? Maybe I'll go lighter. I have a lot of light stuff. I don't have a lot of dark stuff. So, and I like to just pull stuff apart. Let's see if it's too, it might be too white. Yeah, I'm not liking it. So we'll just go with a cream. How about a cream color? I like the little ratty edges. It makes it, it just brings so much more to the project, I think. Don't do them all in the same corner. Like if I actually probably should turn this around and do this at the top so that the project is going different directions. That way you always have something for wherever you want it, you know. You may have a page that you just need to do it in a different corner. And I'm going to scoot that up before that Fabri-Tac dries a little bit so I can actually stick it. I might push it over this way a little bit more. I do like Fabri-Tac for that reason. You know, you have a little playroom. Not once it's down, it's down. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more glue here. Now the backs of these aren't going to look pretty. No guarantees there because, you know, it's the way it is. But once you get them on your project, it won't matter. And you actually could put some acetate. Whoops, that flipped up on me, didn't it? You can put some acetate under them if you wish. I don't really, I'm leaving them kind of like I do my scrap clusters ahead of time. I'm kind of leaving them so I can, oh, look at that, it's almost falling apart there. Yeah. So that you can just use them, you know. I don't want to cover a lot of that, but I do want a little bit of this. I don't know. Do I want that under there maybe? Is that too much? That might be a lot. I like it. We're going to go with it. I'm just kind of the go with the flow girl. I just see what I like and stick it down. I don't waste a lot of time trying to figure it out, but once in a while, oh boy, you get me going. And that does not want to stick. Go figure. I didn't get the glue on the right side. I got it on the wrong side. Go figure. It's okay. I like using a silicone mat when you're gluing though. It does, ow, that hurts. It does help. So I think I'm going to use some of these leftover fibers. They're just strings that come off of my fabrics and projects and stuff. And so that's what we're going to do, is just stick them on like so. See how it looks. And there we go. This one I'm going to put down this way. Whoops, pardon me. And it'll look nice once it's down on the project, I think. I do like that. It's a little sticky underneath. Let's see. Do I need a word up here? I don't know. Sometimes I like to look in the camera. Let me scoot it over so I can actually see. I do kind of like that. And I already inked that one because I was ready to put it on and I didn't like it on the last one that I was going to put it on. So there you go. Anyway, these are easy peasy. I'm just going to leave you here with that. I can show you a few of the ones that I have finished, but I just kind of wanted to give you the idea so you can see what they'd be great to add to a project. These are the two that I finished today. So I did have different style, you know, you can do them this direction, and I did some vintage ones as well with some black, so I kind of like those as well. So anyway, I will catch you next time. If you like what you see, please, you know, give me a thumbs up, share it if you would like, and I hope that you would like to subscribe. If you do want to see more from me, do the subscription and then ring the bell, and you will get the notification when I go live or have another video posted. Thanks for being here. Have a great day. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Bye-bye now.